like a Hellcat.
Ayo, ayo, what is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So this video is a request from one of my dear subscriber. He reached out to me on Instagram, he DM'd me this link, and yeah, I'm down for it. We are reacting to this song called NGAN THOM, and the artists are DBRYN featuring VENON LYNKHOI, James KHARSYNTIEW. And if I'm not wrong, this is a Khasi song. This is coming in from Meghalaya. So without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. And yeah, before we totally get into the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. So let's just jump straight into the video. I'm very much excited. Let's get it, let's do it. Oh, we got the planet Earth, our beautiful Earth. Wow, amazing drone shot for real. NGAN THOM, DBRYN, VENON and James. And guys, please let me know what is the meaning of NGAN THOM, because I do not understand, you know, Khasi language. Wow. Hey, crazy. Oh man, I'm loving this. Amazing, you know, flow. Do we have the English subtitle? No, we don't have. It is French generated, auto generated. So, you know, like I always say, language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. So we're gonna vibe into it, we're gonna enjoy it, man, for real. Nice beat. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh. I know. He's spitting some, you know, hard bars. You know, I am getting the vibe. Hey. Hard. Man, this dude is killing it, man. Wild, man. I'm loving this, for real. Hey. We got a handsome boy with some beautiful ladies behind him. Hey, crazy. And his voice is, you know, mellow. I'm loving it. Hey. Hey, I think he's basically saying that, you know, back in the days I used to record, you know, my songs on phone, but now, you know, I'm recording in the studio. Hey, crazy, man. I guess so. You guys let me know, man. Hey. whole gang in here. Hey man. Also, we have cool kicks behind him. Oh, basically he's saying, I'm an independent artist. I got that. Oh, wait, let's listen that part again. Hey, now I'm sure that this is a Khasi song. He's saying, I'm one of the best Khasi lyricists. That's what he said, I guess. I got the word Khasi and the lyricist. Hey, Khasi, lyricist, ISS, he said, and then Iron Fist. Hey man, that was dope. Bars, the rhyme was also tip top. Hey, cool. Hey, Jordan cap. Hey. Man, to be honest, this music video was awesome. I really loved it. It was amazing. The rap for me was a top notch, man. His flow was crazy, man, and I really loved it. The cinematography, the beat was sick. For real, man, for real. Everything was so cool about this music video. I got the vibe. I really enjoyed it. Keep coming more. I will check out more of their stuffs, especially the rappers stuff. If he has any other song, I will check it out and vibe into it. You guys are amazing, man, and shout out to each and everyone who have been involved in making this music video a successful one. You guys are amazing. It is awesome, awesome project. I really loved it. Once again, man, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell also. And yeah, man, once again, Northeast for life. Here we go. Ting ting ting.